The hummingbird is in the nest. They're sitting in the nest. Let me see if I can pinpoint. Let me stand over this way. The branch keeps getting in the way. There it is, right. It's going to focus on my finger, but it's right there. And you can see the tail sticking out. Let me see if I can get that's as close as I can zoom in. This is a thrill for me. I've never seen it before today. Sorry about the background noise. Someone's trimming the hedges. So I don't know if she's resting or nesting. You know what I mean? It has eggs in there. Seems late in the season to have eggs, but I don't know the cycle. Anyway, that's such a thrill. Maybe she's protected because of the noise. Oops, sorry, bud. Again, right there. Oh, there she flew away.